Did you happen to know that Claude has like this hidden marketing plugin? Like it's not really hidden, but you got to go find it. It will literally write your content for you. It doesn't matter if you're YouTube, if you're TikTok, it doesn't any social media platform. I've been using it and it feels like I just hired a personal coach. And not only that, but I believe it took my TikTok from being silver $1,000 a month all the way up to gold at 11,000 GMV. That's a huge difference in just a month. I am so glad you're here. I absolutely love talking about Claude. My husband's the tech nerd. He teaches me and then I teach you. By the way, you know I can gift Claude Co-work to you for a week. They let me have 3. So if you want to try it, you just hit the comments and I'll send you an invite. This is in Claude Co-work, people. Let's get right to it. When you are in Claude, I want you to click that plus sign right here, right under the how can I help you today. You're going to see plugins. If you don't happen to see plugins, that means you haven't added them yet, and that is okay. Instead, you would see add plugins in this spot. And you just add them right here by clicking add. I'm going to show you just so you can see. Here's a list of all the plugins that you can use. We want the marketing one, which is right here. Once you click it, all you have to do is install it. It's so easy. Let's get back to it. Click plugins, go to the marketing, and look at all this, guys. Look at all this. See that black box that comes up next to each one? It tells you everything that these little plugins do for you. I have not even begun to scratch the surface on this, but I can't wait to dig into that. But in the meantime, we are going to choose content creation. So click that one. You're going to see /content-creation in your box. Once you have the plugins, you can also just type in /content-creation and it'll bring it up for you. It will turn blue if it's valid. If it does not turn blue, that means you don't have the plugin. Today, we're going to talk about TikTok. This will work with regular TikTok videos. It will work with shop videos. We're going to talk about shop videos because that is the most exciting for me. So I want to tell Claude how I want to work within this plugin. Claude, I want you to help me with my TikTok shop affiliate account. I never remember how to spell affiliate. Because remember, if you don't know where to start, you ask Claude where to start. What I think is so cool is then Claude gets really specific about how it can help you. What do you need? And sometimes you don't know, and that's okay. You can basically say, I have no clue what I need. Help me through the process. But since I've been doing TikTok shop for a couple of years, I kind of know what I want to do. So Claude's asking me, hey, what do you need help with the most? And if your choice isn't there, you can always add it. It's no big deal. We're going to go to captions and hooks because we all know how important that is. What niche or product category do you promote? I'm categorized as home and lifestyle. Where are you at with your TikTok shop affiliate count? I am growing and I want to scale. Any specific product, challenge, or goal you want to focus on? I need help with my hooks to capture the attention and stop the scroll. Visual text and movement. I need more sales so I can achieve my goal toward platinum status. So you can see this can be molded to your needs. You need to grow your account, then you're going to be talking growth strategy. If you need help writing scripts, this is an excellent source to do that. So you can see right here, it is telling me that yes, you need the full hook toolkit because you need 3 layers to your hooks. What you say, what they read, and what you're doing. I love to watch those top 1% that sell on TikTok, and I get all the tips and tricks from them that I can. And then I practice and try them out for myself. And over time, I end up building skills that adjust and grow as TikTok changes and shifts. So no big deal. Claude just says, view your TikTok shop hook toolkit. It has all the layers for me and even a bonus and a few quick wins to implement. Like for instance, the numbered list hook, 3 things under $25 that make guests think you have expensive taste. Let's check out the toolkit by clicking on it. Whoa, look at that. That's super impressive. If I were on my own Claude on my computer, this would already be branded to look like my brand, which is another cool thing that you can do. It has my goal here. I want to go to platinum status. Then it gives me some great hooks that are already working and selling on TikTok, like the urgency scarcity hook. This thing keeps selling out. Grab it before it's gone. Curiosity. This one thing changed how I feel about my living room every single morning. Then it takes you deeper into the visual hooks and gives you all types of different visuals that you can show while you're saying what you're saying. And then we have movement hooks. Not necessarily you moving, it could be video zooming in, it could be walking onto camera. You can bring the product in. There's so much fun stuff you can do with editing that becomes a catch that stops people. Let's check out the bonus here. Babes, it says built for freshest TikTok shop affiliate.
Yeah. Okay.
My husband's brand colors are red and black, so this is kind of cute. I'm on hubby's computer, obviously, because my camera, you don't want to see me on that other camera. So now it's showing you actual examples of how to layer those 3 styles of hooks together. And then you take this information and use it when you write your scripts for your products, or bullet points. Or if you're like me, I like to have talking points because I just don't like to work from a script if I don't have to. So this is general information, but let's get more specific. Let's give it a product and let me show you what it can do. We're going to use this spray as an example. Here's a pro tip for you. If you are selling on TikTok, you do want to kind of choose the niche that you're selling in and do about 70% of your shop sales in that niche. So mine is home and lifestyle. Another thing you can do with this toolkit is you can create a project folder and add this toolkit into the project folder. So every time you work on hooks, you go to that project folder and that's where you start. You always want to start with a hook, no matter what kind of video it is. There's a number of ways that you can get Claude to help you with a product video. Here's what I like to do. I take a screenshot of the product right in TikTok, and then I add it into Claude by clicking plus, add files or photos. When I send the picture, typically I'll say what I want it to do with that picture. In this case, I just sent it to see what Claude would do. And right away, it's doing exactly what I thought. It's going to build specific hooks for this product. You can also add links to products. You can share reviews. You can talk about the specials like flash sales, limited deals, whatever cool angle the product might have. You might even have specific storytelling that you want to add with this product too. Stories are always so great. So check this out. Like, I'm just astounded every single time. It has a content pack ready for that specific product, and then it tells me what it's building. It says your winning angle is that it's a Ritz-Carlton hotel scent. That's the hook. And it tells me to use it in every single video. Now it's telling me to film all 3 skips. It also gives me recommendations. But before we go any further, let's look at this content pack. We're just gonna click right there. Wow. It's giving me layered hook and it's giving me full script. Like, guys, this is one of my free samples that I have to do videos for, and now my work is already done for me. Just like that. And if you're reading through and it doesn't feel human enough for you, or it doesn't feel like something you would say, that's all stuff Claude learns by you guys just having a conversation back and forth. Hey, I don't ever say honestly, so take that out. Don't ever use it again. It even tells you what to copy and paste for your captions or text on screen. And at the bottom, platinum tip. So that's my goal. It tells me to film all 3 scripts in one session. Same setup, same lighting. Post the first one, watch which hook gets the most saves and shares, and double down on that angle for your next fragrance oil video. Because that's what it's about. It's about volume. It's about repeating what works. If you go to those top 1%ers, you're seeing them do one video over and over and over again because it works, it hits, it sells, and that's the point. They don't care that they're repeating themselves. They don't care that they're making the same video over and over again because they're cashing their check. That's what we want to do, right? Look, I could talk about this all day, and there's so much you can do with this. There's way more than just TikTok shop writing. I'm just working for my retirement here and loving every minute of it, especially with Claude Cowork. This is the stuff I wish someone had shown me, but actually someone did show me. It was my honey. He's like, you don't have to work so hard. You get this genius in Claude Cowork to help you. You don't need a marketing team. You don't need a writer. You don't need to hire a TikTok coach or buy another program. You just need to know this thing exists and to start using it and working with it. Now you do. You're welcome. If this video brought you any value at all, I would love it if you subscribe, comment, share, any love that you have to give. I will take it. And in case you don't want to feel alone in this content creation business, I do have a hub. It is completely free. We have a great group of people in there. I'm sharing all kinds of new stuff. ChatGPT image prompts right now for Mother's Day. Guys, there's so much in there for you. A lot of value. The link's in the description if you want to join. Until next time, just keep creating.